Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job and want to make some extra cash on the side? What if I told you that you could make money simply by listening to your favorite songs? That's right, no gimmicks, no scams, just pure music and earnings. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned my passion for music into a lucrative side hustle and how you can do it too. So grab your headphones, kick back, and let's make some money while we jam out to our favorite tunes. First, we have Mod Squad at modsquad.com, where you can do content moderation. Content moderation involves ensuring that the things people post online are suitable for everyone to see. This could include flagging mean or inappropriate comments or ensuring that the content posted is accurate and not spammy. You may manage posts in a forum or read through chat logs and Discord. You can find a link to join their squad in the description. According to Indeed, the average hourly pay for a community associate ranges from $10 to $19.10 per hour. Next, there are 3 websites that offer focus group participation: Rackington Insights, Pinecone Research, and Try Products. Researchers worldwide are seeking input from everyday people on their studies for products, services, or scientific reasons. Introducing our next recommendation for an online typing job: TextRoyal, found at textroyal.com. With TextRoyal, you'll be able to engage in various freelance writing gigs, including general freelance writing, helping someone write an article for their website, creating social media posts, and even writing academic papers and essays. While their website can be confusing, links in the description will lead you to the actual place where you can apply to write for them. It's important to note that you'll be paid per word for your projects, with the potential to earn up to 3 cents per word. However, it's unlikely that you'll start at the highest pay rate. You'll need to work your way up from 1 cent per word and maintain a high quality score across multiple projects before being upgraded to higher paying projects. Consistency and quality will be key in succeeding with TextRoyal. Our next one is an exciting online job opportunity called LifePoints. This job involves installing an app on your Android or iOS device, which allows you to earn rewards by participating in surveys and focus groups. The great thing about this job is that you can complete it on the go without having to log into your computer. You can find the LifePoints app on the Google Play Store with 1 million downloads and a 4.4-star rating. You can also sign up for LifePoints using the link provided in the description below, which will lead you to the sign-up form and direct you to download the app. The website states that you can redeem your rewards through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. LifePoints has received positive reviews on Trustpilot, and I highly recommend giving it a try. For the next online typing job you can easily do from home, check out Action Data at axondata.com. This company offers data entry services where you use your keyboard to input data. With Action Data, you can do various tasks that require typing, and you get paid per document or entry completed. As an independent contractor, you have a flexible schedule and you can earn more by working faster. To sign up, click on the link in the description below, which takes you to the employment section of Action Data's website. If you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant, Wing Assistant at wingassistant.com might be perfect for you. This website connects businesses with people who can help with various tasks, such as responding to emails, answering phone calls, and making travel arrangements. As a part-time or full-time virtual assistant, you can earn anywhere between $4.99 to $16.99 a month, depending on the number of clients you take on. To sign up, use the link in the description below, which takes you to the website where you can apply. Wing Assistant accepts people from different backgrounds and locations, including the Philippines, India, Mexico, and the United States. Introducing MyPoints, an online opportunity for a side hustle where you can earn some money. Similar to LifePoints, this platform allows you to answer questionnaires and questions to accumulate points that can be redeemed for cash. What sets MyPoints apart is that they offer a generous $10 gift card bonus when you sign up and confirm your account, one of the largest sign-up bonuses available. While there is a mobile app available, it may not be the best option compared to using their website. You can sign up for MyPoints through the links provided in the description below and select a $10 Amazon or Visa gift card as your welcome bonus. So, if you enjoy watching a particular content creator's videos, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and like their videos. It's a small gesture that goes a long way in supporting and encouraging them to keep doing what they love.